Hey, so how's your YouTube channel going, by the way?
It's very good. I would say that if you're going to take on the challenge of creating a YouTube channel, I liked your suggestions. You said to make a list of videos. That was really smart to do because it gives you direction.
Yeah.
And keeping them simple. One of the things I've always liked about yours is that they were simple. You could get them edited, and even editing that is challenging. It takes time.
Mm-hmm.
So committing to that is something that a person needs to do, but it's super rewarding. One of my favorite experiences that I've had so far was when one of your YouTubers with the first initials of ACO contacted me and asked for a video Joe had been.
Oh no.
I know, and I knew you were working hard, and so
Or hardly working.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So we tracked you down, and you were working hard, and I was able to tell you that you had people out there who want to make sure you're okay, and that, so then, to me, it really showed that it's not just about the connection with the camera, but you're really in people's homes, and you're really sharing a relationship, and they're getting to know you. And there's, it's great. It's a responsibility and a relationship that you're developing. So, very rewarding.
Okay, so now that you've done a few YouTube videos, do you have any suggestions or thoughts or comments for anybody else who wants to start up a YouTube channel about the process that you've gone through, whether or not it's difficult or what you have found?
Right.
Some sort of tips you can give the viewer.
Yeah. Well, I would say that keeping them as simple as possible, because the editing is a bit of time. So the easier, and having a system of a certain format that you follow is helpful. Mm-hmm. I also like studying some of the other gals. It was fun to see what they were doing on there, so I watched them, but they just inspired me. It made me want to do more, and so I just think it's really exciting. It's such the cutting edge of social media right now, so I'm going to do more.
Good.
And hopefully more with you, because I have fun making videos with you.
Yeah, I want to make some more with you.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
So you've already made some of your own too so far, right?
That's right.
And I see that you have some camera posts here.
Yep.
And stuff. I like that.
These were cool. These were donated to me about 10 years ago from a friend of mine who does photography. And you can attach arms to them.
Uh-huh.
And so I just did a video yesterday about how to repair Louis Vuitton bags. And I had bags here, and I had a camera set up over at the end of the table where you are.
Right.
And it was great. I got the right lighting, and if I did it during the day, I had daylight lighting, which was nice.
Yeah, you've got some track lighting up here that you can direct that in the evening.
In the evening, yeah.
But the direct light, I like that, whenever you have a chance to do it that way, that's nice too.
So it was nice, you and I made the place very video friendly. So that was one of the things that I was looking at when I was studying the other girls. They had a lot of white backgrounds, white's kind of the real lightning. And so you and I managed to get the wall white with the shoes behind it. I did an Alan Edmonds video that was super fun. I liked that.
Uh-huh.
And then working in the workshop, I did another video when I was doing the Alan Edmonds. I used the backdrop in the pink workroom now, and it made a super fun video. So it was like pink and white and shoes and girly stuff.
Yeah. So hey, you're gonna walk me around real quick to show you what you've got set up in your place so far. We'll make a quick little video of that right now. How about that?
Sounds like a good idea.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I'm glad you're sticking with the YouTube videos.
Thanks, Joe.
What did you say?
Hey, Video Joe, let's go get some dinner.
Okay, but I want my change from the hot biscuits that I paid you for.
From that money that you...
Oh, okay. I got you.
I'm buying dinner tonight.
Okay, all right. You're on.
Thanks, Video Joe.
Okay.
You're the best.
Hey, it's been fun.
It's